Largest living organism. Armillaria ostoi, a fungus in Oregon's Mala National Forest, spans over 2,385 acres, 965 hectares. Lightning strikes. Lightning strikes occur about 100 times per second worldwide. Vaccine origin. The word vaccine comes from the Latin word vacca, meaning cow, as the first vaccine was developed using cowpox. Smallest human bone. The stapes bone in the ear measures about 0.1 inches, 2.5 millimeters. Largest snowflake. The largest recorded snowflake measured 15 inches, 38 centimeters, wide in 1887. Polar bear fur. Polar bear's fur appears white, but it is transparent and hollow. Gold in oceans. Earth's oceans contain nearly 20 million tons of dissolved gold. Tallest tree. Hyperion, a coast redwood, stands at 379.7 feet, 115.7 meters, tall, making it the world's tallest tree. Human blood vessels. The total length of blood vessels in an adult human's body is approximately 60,000 miles, 96,560 kilometers. Highest recorded temperature. The highest ever recorded temperature on Earth was 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius, in Furnace Creek Ranch, California, in 1913. Smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Largest land animal. The African elephant holds the title of the world's largest land animal. Longest space mission. Russian cosmonaut Valery Polyakov spent a record 437 days in space on a single mission. Robot origin. The term robot was first introduced in the 1920 play, R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots, by Carol Capek. Group of owls. A group of owls is called a parliament. Largest Asian desert. The Gobi Desert is the largest desert in Asia. Ant weight. The total weight of all ants on Earth is estimated to be roughly 1/5 the total weight of all humans on Earth. Deepest lake. Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia, is the world's deepest lake, with a depth of over 5,387 feet, 1,642 meters. Fastest land animal. Contrary to popular belief, the Brazilian free-tailed bat can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, in flight. Largest rodent. The capybara, native to South America, is the world's largest rodent. Neutron star weight. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh as much as a mountain. Honeybee face recognition. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Longest scientific experiment. The pitch drop experiment at the University of Queensland has been running since 1927. Largest volcano on Earth. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest volcano on Earth. Venus day longer than year. A day on Venus is longer than its year, taking 243 Earth days to complete one rotation and 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Deepest ocean point. The Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench is the world's deepest point in the ocean. Study of birds. The study of birds is called ornithology. Pangaea. Earth's continents were once part of a supercontinent called Pangaea. Largest dinosaur eggs. The largest known dinosaur eggs were about the size of a basketball. First human flight. The first recorded successful human flight was in 1783 with the Montgolfier brothers' hot air balloon. Longest European river. The Volga River is the longest river in Europe. Carbon in human body. The human body contains enough carbon to make about 900 pencils. Group of penguins. In water, a group of penguins is called a raft. While on land, it's called a waddle. Fastest man-made object. The Parker Solar Probe reached speeds of over 430,000 miles per hour, 700,000 kilometers per hour, on its way to the Sun. Shifting magnetic North Pole. Earth's magnetic North Pole constantly shifts and has moved over 600 miles, 965 kilometers, in the last century. Chess possibilities. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. Octopus blood. Octopuses have blue blood because it contains copper-based molecules called hemocyanin. Sideways Uranus. The planet Uranus rotates almost sideways compared to other planets in the solar system. Sun's hydrogen conversion. Every second, the Sun converts about 700 million tons of hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. Honey's longevity. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Sound speed. Sound travels 4 times faster in water than in air. Largest desert. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. Group of flamingos. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Study of fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Largest flower. The world's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldii, can reach up to 3 feet in diameter. Black hole concept. The concept of black holes in space was first theorized by physicist John Michell in 1783. Freshly cut grass smell. The smell of freshly cut grass is a plant distress call. Mouth bacteria. There are more bacteria in your mouth than there are people on Earth. Capsaicin. The chemical compound responsible for the spicy heat of chili peppers is called capsaicin. Red light waiting. The average person spends 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green. Fastest strike. The mantis shrimp has one of the fastest strikes in the animal kingdom, reaching speeds of over 50 miles per hour. Astronaut height change. Astronauts' height can change in space due to the absence of gravity. Backward flying bird. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. Atmosphere composition. Earth's atmosphere is composed of approximately 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Cow stomachs. Cows have 4 stomachs to help digest their food. Oldest fossils. The world's oldest known fossils are stromatolites, dating back over 3.5 billion years.